Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create number 5 from Kids Next Door. I don't remember watching it, but I had a lot of like their merch kind of when I was little. But I'm going to create number 5 for this one. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. You don't need VIP for this, so that's good. Select this hair and just color it, I guess the same, or like even just black maybe. Or let's do brown. Then select this hat here and color it this color, CD2841, this one. For the adjustments, position the X at 0.48, Y 0.48, Z 0.58. Rotate the X to 0.37, Y 0.56, and scale it the same. Then you're going to get this hat here over here. In CD28412, position the Y at 0.51, Z 0.6. Rotate the X to 0.24 and scale it to 0.6. For the outfit, it's not a lot. Just use this in kind of like this blue here-ish. Like this, I think, 25304C. And you can either use these or these shoes. I'll do these shoes in just all white. And that is pretty much it, really. It is that simple. If you want to add pants, you can just add these ones in the same color. Wait, I didn't even save this one. Hold on. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh, the hoops. the hoops, forgot about them. Add in hoops, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.